Pag-request nga po yung awit na Please. Please.
Please.
Please. Please be careful with my heart.
If you love me,
yun lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Please be careful with my heart.
Parang request ko hindi kanta nga Always by Marco Season. Sagot ko kini Virginia Palugod nga. Ay, ito, kiss me Oliver.
Would love you always.
So, yun ay bag nga. Malam yun dito, 97.7. Sabay kumata, nakaradkad kayo latta. Adwa. So, pag-play man tayo, Lady. I don't know. Kenny Rogers, thank you so much. Mabuhay. Sweet Radio. Nagsami
ko na nga talaga man.
Manong request ko man Heaven, Ken Destiny ni Sandra. Manan ato yung mga manong ti San Isidro. Nabiro ka mo an?
Wasang.
Awan na. Para kayo papawilan ka.
Sige man ta, medyo...
Kuya, sirup ti pandiling.
Supay, apo, kuya, sirup ti pandiling gayam. Sa bali jayan na bagak tatay, sunata ti ayat, matinaba na ibagakon ko na na. Kata...
Jelas aja ko.
Las nga?
Over you ko na aja, yata ni.
Over you ko na na.
Wan.
Ngarod, okay, dyan magtirao, mambalong.
Some people live their dreams. Some people close their eyes. Some people's destiny passes by. There are no guarantees.
Okay, ang road iti I'll Be Over You by Toto kat nadaanan man na po iti dat-dat-laga sonata para magka-DJ dito ay Sweet Radio 97.7 kat no siya sinuman katakwat at itumdumngag kita tanga kanito kat mabalinda po ti pumugto. DJ lang nga po iti Sweet Radio kas gungguna para kanyada ta adalata idang sidadaan nga mangtad ti suporta iti for decade duo ngarod with their alias their age the age na ba yan Ajay? Alias lang ganun yung pangalaw alias lang ganun dati pauno na dati nga sonata barbaring isudan iti mga bak iti 200 peso load ngarod
dumdumag da nga ta
ay kita ang tanong ang dumdumag di anda nga swerte nga I'm sure nakikinig sila ngarod
kita ang taman
She's a great little housewife but sometimes she talks like a phone. But she helps at the store in the holiday rush, and she picks up the kids after school. And she puts down the phone when her husband comes home, and she changes from mother to wife till she feels the world hanging between them, and she hangs by her words of her life. She said, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes she don't even know what she's missing. And that's how she knows that she missed.
ako pa nag-text
Damo title na ito.
awan
She's a sweetheart except when she's moody. Oh, it's hard to get through to her then. Depressed for a while when the youngest was born. Oh, but that happens now and again. She might think a drink with the housework, or when Michael's kept late at the shop, a martini or two before dinner. But she always knows when to stop. She said, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes she don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. Oh, they used to hold hands at the movies, not seldom if ever they go. Once they paid for the theater and park in the car, oh, there's no money left for the show. She was doing the dishes when a glass fell and broke on the tile, and she got her wrist quite by mistake. It was real touch and go for a while. She said, oh God, I love my husband and I love my kids. You know I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes she don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she shibis. Ang laki niya po, awan tinanghaba nga DJ. Next week manan, dahil nga parte ti programa tayo. Natanan man na po ti oras si panagsisina tayon, kat agyaman na po ti 4 kat duwaw, tauray na pagbatit laeng, kat nakaitad kami iti mangpaisam kada kayo, mangpabalsa kada kayo, kat ada kami tumayin na po next week, the same time, 12 o'clock to 3 p.m. Tutoy lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio, nagsamit, kat itapnoited mi kada kayo, timodi nga sunata.
Text ni Sir Emil.
Anak ko na na.
Sandra.
Mga DJs una nga rod. JD mo tasuna. JD. Ang nga rod. Dahil tayo timawadi nga sunatang. Agpaay. Ito so amin na itan nga ti termino nga bagata kini Sir Emil. Aglalago bagas. Nga rod. May isang nga sunata po iti 1960s. Isong nga nawagan kami ti 4 decade do. Tamani po dekada 70. Ika na 20s. Dagiti sunata may.
But lately you don't talk to me, darling. I can see me in your eyes.
Kaya mo ganti kasi
Sige man.
I hold you near but you're so far away, and it's losing you. I can't believe.
Pati kaldingan.
Don't you leave and let this feeling die.
Until next time, bye now, darling Khan. Naudi man eh.
Thank you very much. At least nakahabol ni Manang darling.
We can take the darkness and make it full of light, but let your love flow back to me. How can you leave and let this feeling die? This happy room will be the lonely place when you are gone, and I won't even have your shoulders for crying on. No other woman's love can be as true. I'm begging you to throw it all away, our love, don't throw it all away, our love, don't throw it all.
Kaya lang slate. Next time, DJ Lee. 500 pesos ng ating Name the Tune 4 DJs. Yan. Late kasi yan. I-close na kanina to. Sigaw nga. Sapa. Karot! Thank you very much, Abu, for being with us. And God bless everyone.
Radio 97.7.
97.7.
Is the hour of great mercy that our Lord Jesus Christ died on the cross and redeemed the world. Let us now pray. You died, Jesus,